Hello everyone. In this page, the child has to learn about the letter picture association that is given over here. That is, the child has to identify the beginning sound of the objects that are given over here. So, the instructions are given over here. Look at the object and identify the beginning sound. And one is done for you. So here as we can see, the object that is given is apple and it begins with the sound eh, and we have to then identify the correct beginning sound and encircle the same. After that, the another object that is given over here is dog, sounds duck, and over here the correct sound is this one. After that, this is jug, sounds j, and the correct beginning sound is this one, j. J sounds j. After that, the given object is kite, and kite, the beginning sound is k, that is k, sounds k. After that, the another object is sun, that is s, sounds s. After that, the last object is tree, the beginning sound is t, so here it is t, sounds t. तो यहाँ पे ये वर्कशीट में बच्चों को हर एक ऑब्जेक्ट को आइडेंटिफाई करके उसका बिगिनिंग साउंड आइडेंटिफाई करना है और फिर उसको एनसर्कल करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this page, the child will identify the beginning sound of the objects that are given over here. So, what they have to do is circle the first letter of each picture that is given over here, and one is done for them. So, here the given picture is of a cat. It begins with the sound k. So, C as in K is already circled over here. After that, the another picture is of lamp. The beginning sound is L. So, L, L. We will be encircling L, L. After that, the child has to identify another object, that is kite. The beginning sound is K. So here it is, they have to encircle K, sounds K. After that, it is ice cream. I, beginning sound, sounds I. After that, it is butterfly, sounds B. The beginning sound is B. So here it is B, sounds B. After that, another picture is of a tree. The beginning sound is T. So T sounds T. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को दिए गए पिक्चर के बिगिनिंग साउंड को आइडेंटिफाई करना है और फिर वो साउंड को एनसर्कल करना है उनको यहाँ पे. तो वो अल्फाबेट भी रिकॉग्नाइज करेंगे और बिगिनिंग साउंड को भी रिकॉग्नाइज करेंगे. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this page, the child will identify the beginning sound of the pictures that are given over here. So, they will circle the first letter of each picture. One is done for them. So, here the first picture is of a cup, starts with the letter C and the sound is K. The second picture is of grapes, starts with letter G, sounds G. Next is rat, starts with the letter R and the beginning sound is R. Next is ball, starts with the letter B and the beginning sound is B. Next is egg, starts with the letter E and the sound is E. Next is fish, starts with the letter F and the sound is F. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को हर एक पिक्चर को आइडेंटिफाई करके उसका जो फर्स्ट लेटर है, उसका जो स्टार्टिंग लेटर है उसको सर्कल करना है और उसका बिगिनिंग साउंड जो है उसको भी आइडेंटिफाई करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this page, the child will write the beginning sound. That is, they have to write the beginning sound of the picture that is given over here in small and capital letter both. And one is done for them for their reference. So, the first picture is of a hat. The beginning sound is H. So, the letter H, that is the capital letter H and the small letter H is written over here. Another picture is of a pot, sounds P. So, the capital letter P will be written over here and the small letter P over here. Another picture is of an igloo, sounds E. The beginning sound is E. So, we will be writing the capital letter I and the small letter I, sounds E over here. The last one is the picture of a tree, sounds T. So we will be writing the capital letter T and the small letter T over here. If the child has forgotten the sound, you can make them recall and after that they can complete doing this worksheet. तो इस वर्कशीट में बच्चों को बिगिनिंग साउंड को आइडेंटिफाई करके और उसके बाद नीचे दिए गए सर्कल में कैपिटल लेटर और स्मॉल लेटर में साउंड लिखना है. थैंक यू. हेलो एवरीवन. In this page, the child has to write the beginning sound. That is the beginning sound of the picture that is given over here in small and capital letter both. So, the first picture is of a sun, sounds S. So, we will be writing the capital letter S and the small letter S over here. Sounds S. After that, it is apple, sounds A, and then we have to write the capital letter A over here and the small letter A over here. After that, another object, another picture is of a flower, sounds F. The beginning sound is F. So, we have to write here the capital letter F and the small letter F. And the last picture is of a lamp, sounds L. So, we have to write the capital letter L and the small letter L. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को हर एक पिक्चर को आइडेंटिफाई करके उसका बिगिनिंग साउंड जो है उसको रिकॉल करना है, उसको आइडेंटिफाई करना है और उसके बाद नीचे दिए गए सर्कल में उनको कैपिटल लेटर और स्मॉल लेटर लिखना है. वही लेटर्स लिखने हैं जो उसका बिगिनिंग साउंड है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this page, the child will learn how to write the beginning sound. That is, writing the beginning sound of the picture as shown over here in small and capital letter both. So for that, first of all, the child has to identify the given picture and the first letter and the beginning sound. So here, the first object is bat. The beginning sound is B, that starts with the letter B. So here they will write the capital B and then the small letter B. After that, the another picture is of a rat. So the sound is R and that begins with the letter R. That is the capital letter R and the small letter r. Another picture is of an umbrella. Umbrella starts with a. So here the first letter will be the capital U and the next will be the small letter U. After that, another picture is of a yak. So yak, the first letter will be Y as the beginning sound is Y. So the capital letter Y and the small letter Y. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को दिए गए पिक्चर के बिगिनिंग साउंड को आइडेंटिफाई करना है और फिर वो लेटर नीचे दिए गए सर्कल्स में लिखना है. सो पहले वो लिखेंगे कैपिटल लेटर और उसके बाद वो लोग लिखेंगे स्मॉल लेटर. ठीक है, थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this page, the child has to connect the letters to the picture. So they have to connect the uppercase letter and the lowercase letter to the given picture over here, and one is done for them to refer. So here the picture is of an apple. The beginning sound is A that starts with the letter A. So here the uppercase A and here is the lowercase a. So we have to connect the line from both of them to the given object or to the given picture. So we will start from the top. Here the given picture is of an hut, and here the hut sounds, the beginning sound is H that starts with the letter H. So capital letter H. So from here we will connect it to the picture and from the lowercase letter H. That is the uppercase H and the lowercase h. After that, another picture is of a car. So the beginning sound is K. So the child will be connecting the same from the lowercase and the uppercase letter C. So here is the uppercase letter C and then the lowercase letter C. After that, another one is duck. तो द बिगिनिंग साउंड यहाँ पे है ड. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को अपर केस लेटर से उसको कनेक्ट करना है और उसके बाद लोअर केस लेटर से उसको कनेक्ट करेंगे वो पिक्चर के साथ. यहाँ पे है फिश. तो सबसे पहले वो लोग अपर केस लेटर के साथ कनेक्ट करेंगे. फ बिगिनिंग साउंड है फ, जो कि है लेटर एफ, कैपिटल लेटर एफ या तो अपर केस लेटर एफ और है लोअर केस एफ. उसके बाद ये है गिफ्ट. साउंड्स ग, बिगिनिंग साउंड है ग. तो लोग कनेक्ट करेंगे अपर केस जी और लोअर केस जी से. उसके बाद है engine. साउंड्स ए. तो दिस इज द अपर केस ई and this is the lower case e. So after that it is ball. The beginning sound is b, starts with the letter B. So they have to connect from capital letter B or the uppercase B till the object, and after that they will be connecting the lowercase b to the object or the given picture. तो यहाँ पे बेसिकली बच्चों को अपर केस लेटर और लोअर केस लेटर जो है वो पिक्चर से कनेक्ट करना है और ऐसे लेटर्स को कनेक्ट करना है जिससे उसका साउंड शुरू होता है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this page, the child has to connect the letters to the given picture. So they have to connect the uppercase letter and the lowercase letter to the given picture as shown over here. So one example is done for the students for their reference. So here the given picture is of igloo. The beginning sound is E that starts with the letter I. So we have connected the uppercase letter I and the lowercase letter I to the given picture. So the child has to start from any random picture, but it's better that they start with the given sequence from the top. So the first picture is of a kite. The beginning sound is K. It starts with the letter K. So we will connect the given picture from the uppercase letter K and the lowercase letter k. Similarly, the next picture is of a queen. So, qua, we will connect it with the uppercase letter q and the lowercase letter q. Then it is net. The beginning sound is n. So, we will connect it with the capital letter N, that is the uppercase N, and the lowercase n. After that we have jelly. The beginning sound is j, starts with the uppercase J and the lowercase j. Then it is mango, everyone's favorite fruit. So the sound is m, beginning sound is m. So the child will connect it with the uppercase M and the lowercase m. After that it's octopus, O. So they will connect it with the uppercase O and the lowercase o. After that it's peacock, sound is P. So they have to connect it with the uppercase P and the lowercase p. Then it is lotus, beginning sound is L. So they will be connecting it with the uppercase L and the lowercase l. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को लेटर को पिक्चर के साथ कनेक्ट करना है. सो पिक्चर को सबसे पहले वो लोग आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे, उसका बिगिनिंग साउंड क्या है वो आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे और उसके अकॉर्डिंग वो लोग लेटर को आइडेंटिफाई करके लोअर केस और अपर केस लेटर को कनेक्ट करेंगे. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this page, the child has to connect the letters to the pictures. That is, they have to connect the uppercase letter and the lowercase letter to the given picture. So, one is done for their reference over here. That is the rabbit. The picture is of a rabbit. The beginning sound is R and the letter is R. So, they have to connect the uppercase letter and the lowercase letter R to the given picture. So here we have tomato, sound is T, and here we have to connect the uppercase T and the lowercase t to the given picture. After that it is yarn, sound is Y. So we will be connecting the uppercase Y and the lowercase y to the given picture. After that we have sunflower and the sound is S. So we will be connecting the uppercase S and the lowercase s to the given picture. After that we have watermelon. So the child will be connecting the capital letter W, that is the uppercase W and the lowercase w to the given picture. Similarly here the object or the given picture is of an umbrella. The sound is A. So they have to connect the uppercase U and the lowercase u to the given picture. After that it's zip, sound is Z. So they have to connect the uppercase Z and the lowercase z to the given picture. After that it's violin. So they have to connect the uppercase V and the lowercase v to the given picture as the sound is V. After that it's mix. So the sound is X. So they have to connect the uppercase X and the lowercase x to the given picture. So यहाँ पे बच्चों को जो पिक्चर्स है उसको आइडेंटिफाई करना है, उसके बिगिनिंग साउंड को आइडेंटिफाई करना है और उसके बाद उनको अपर केस लेटर और लोअर केस लेटर से कनेक्ट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this page, the child has to connect the letters to the picture. That is, they have to connect the uppercase letter and the lowercase letter to the given picture after identifying its beginning sound. And one is given for the child to refer. So they have to start from the top in the given sequence. So here the picture is of grapes. Beginning sound is G. So they have to connect the uppercase G and the lowercase g to the picture. After that it's and sounds A. So they have to connect the uppercase A and the lowercase a to the picture. After that it's tree sounds T. The sound is T. So they will be connecting the uppercase T and the lowercase t. After that the given picture is of a kangaroo. So the sound is K. So they have to connect the uppercase K and the lowercase k to the given picture. After that it's boat. The beginning sound is B. So they have to connect the uppercase B and the lowercase b to the given picture. After that it's sea lion. The sound is S. Beginning sound is S. So they have to connect the uppercase S and the lowercase s to the given picture. After that it's M for monkey. So the beginning sound is M. So they will be connecting the uppercase M and the lowercase m. After that it's orange. Sound is O. So they will be connecting the uppercase O and the lowercase o to the given picture. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को पिक्चर्स को आइडेंटिफाई करना है, उसका साउंड आइडेंटिफाई करना है और फिर उसको रिस्पेक्टेड लेटर से कनेक्ट करना है जो कि है अपर केस लेटर और लोअर केस लेटर. थैंक यू.